Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about our new topic, that is a delete method in Playwright Python API testing. Okay, and if you see that update one, we can able to do it update easily, correct? But I want to do for some of the things like which like every time you need to create and delete the record. If you delete the record, it will delete completely. Okay, once you created, if you say here, I'm going to make it and create here and take this value and click on delete function. Okay, and provide which is the record you want to delete, and if you hit this particular record, it will not be available. There is empty response here. Okay, and also status is 204, no content is available. It will directly delete it. Whether it is deleted or not, how you can able to see if you are replacing this value. If you hit this particular value, see the resource not found 404, it is found. Okay, now how you can able to do it, this kind of operation. Here is no content and here is resource not found. Okay, these all the things if you want to do it means we need to do it for the patch, we need to get it all the things. Okay, not patch is a create, and I'm going to mention the test delete. Okay, and I'm going to make it for this all the things, copying here and paste it here. Then again I can able to do it one more thing. Here we are getting for email ID, right? For before getting email ID, we can able to get it for one value for user underscore ID, and here I'm going to mention for which is the response value. It will show you create full place ID, small letters only, ID. Okay, ID I got it here. Then I need to make it one more request. This is a response one purpose. Which one we can able to do it for delete function. I'm going to use for delete function. Okay. For the delete also we need to use the same URL and everything is same. Okay, but except data. Okay, then here I need to use it, append this particular user ID. I appended user ID. Okay, then again I need to check asserting the response. What I need to append it here, 204, no content is the one we need to verify. Okay, I just verified for 40204. Okay, then we need to hit it for get method also. For the get method also we done like this, right? The similar format we need to form it. Again, why again means this particular user, no content, that user should not be presented from the DB, whether it is deleted or not, we need to check it. Okay, and here it is not required for remaining thing because we have already in the base URL side. Okay, then what else we need to check, and we can able to check it for status is 200 and this particular one. Okay, and then which one it will give you if the user is not put a message equal to resource not found. Okay, for this we can able to copying here and we can able to get it like this directly, and we can able to use it whether that particular value is presented or not for verification purpose. And I'm going to copying this particular user message one. This is a message, and after the message I'm going to copying this user not found. Okay, and I'm pasting here, and here is 404 user not found and not found one. Here is, I'll remove this text one, not required. Okay, these are all the things we done it here. What are the things we done here means, first one is we done it for create, that is already explained for in my previous videos. Okay, creating for the user from the DB. Okay, how we can able to by using API to inserting the user. This is a dummy APIs, right? Just we are using and we are creating, we are getting that response like a JSON body here, and that JSON body we are just replacing the email ID because we need to create email ID every time unique. That's why we are doing for unique email ID creation. Then we use for post method. In this post method, sorry, in this post method we pass it for basic URL like a URL, and after that authorization and the data which we are saved in the JSON. Okay, then we made it for response whether it is created or not, then verifying 201, and we are getting for the response from the ID. The same ID we are passing from here because of we need to delete that record from DB. Okay, once it is deleted, the status will become for 204 and empty response. Then we are going to verifying the same user ID by using get call. Okay, whether that particular user resource is found or not. We are expected a 404 and resource not found exception. Okay, this is the case we need to verify here. Just I'm going to run it here. Delete. Int percent. Okay, it is asking for typecasting actually. Because ID is coming from integer type and you are going to mentioning for appending for string. That's why it is not able to do it, and we need to create for that user. Okay, above is already created user and it is stored, and when it is coming for a delete section it is not able to typecasting. Assert is 201. Oh sorry, again one more mistake here. I can use one here and here is a one and two, because in the same place we are making for two times, right? For this I'm going to mention response is the top and the second category here. Delete record from DB using API, and this part is basically verifying deleted record. Okay, which place 404 equal 204. The delete function is giving 204 only. and see whether why it is not finding this particular element. It is created and it is given to 101, and then that record is not coming to delete place. Okay, okay, this is the problem. See, here is a small problem. This is which is the one, like I'm not make it for single forward slash. I provide int location, get location, and here I missed out. Okay. Now all the cases are passed. See, absolutely it is passed without any issue. Okay. This is one kind of delete operation, how you can able to modify. Okay. I hope it you got it my point. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.